Okay, the Paul Simon song, Mrs. Robinson, has always been a marvel of a studio accomplishment to me. I believe he recorded it in Nashville, so he had some of the best hired guns around to do all those exciting guitar and percussion parts, and the result, I think, was just a beautiful, exciting track. And to capture a lot of that rhythmic excitement and everything that goes on in the parts for one acoustic guitar is difficult, to say the least, but this is my attempt at doing that. Let's call it a reduction. I think I've got most of the guitar parts pretty much as they happened. Others, I'll confess, that I've added or edited, invented to mimic certain vocal or rhythmic events. But anyway, it begins with that guitar line, and let's try a little bit and see what we get.
And here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you will know. Whoa, whoa, whoa. God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey.
So those are the main sections of it, and let's just try to piece by piece the intro thing, slow it down. You know, you starts on the and of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. It's a combination of this down and up picking that uses, you know, sometimes the combination of the fretted note with the open note that really gives that bounce to it. And then it goes into that descending riff on an E7th from up here. Actually, what it is like, what's going on there harmonically is E7th to A, E7th to A, and it's done like this. Here's a voicing of E7th up here, there's an A, there's another E7th, there's an A with the C sharp, and back to E7th. So it's that, you know, that kind of thing. And then it has these little... Now, those, I'll confess, are probably not precisely what happens on the track, but when you're just one guitar and you're trying to capture some of that stuff, that's as close as I could come, you know. You know, and the others are pretty easy to hear. But anyhow, that's what I... excuse me, that's what I've got for now, and I hope this was informative. So let's see if I have anything to add to this later.